Hey guys, I'm going to show you a tip on how we can do elapsed time like I showed you the other day with a T-chart. Now what we have right here, it says Jacob begins working on his ocean projects at 1:30. So we know we have our start time of 1:30. Okay. And it says he spends 30 minutes painting a model of the earth and 12 minutes labeling the continents and oceans. So we know he spends 30 minutes and 12 minutes working on his project. At what time does Jacob finish working on his project? So this is what we don't know. We have our start, how long we have, but we don't know our end time. So I'm going to make a T-chart because you know I love teaching you guys with T-charts. I'm going to start right here with my 1:30, and we don't know what time it's going to end. So let's go ahead and let's add some of our minutes on here. If we have 1:30 and 30 minutes later, let me just draw you a clock really quick. Okay, 1:30 would look, here's my minute hand goes all the way down to the 30 and my hour hand goes right here. And if we did 30 minutes later, we 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, that would bring us to 2 o'clock. So, let me erase this. 30 minutes later would be 2 o'clock. Now, we've done this one, now we still have to do 12 more minutes. One way we could do this is we could easily, we like counting by tens. 10 minutes later would make it 2:10, so we just added 10 minutes. Okay. And we're not to 12 yet, so we could add to get to 2:12, 10, 11, 12. To get to 2:12, we just added 2 minutes. So let's double check this. 30 in our ones place is 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. So it was 42 minutes. And is 30 plus 12 42? It sure is. So we work for 42 minutes. Check. So what was our end time? We ended at 2:12. Okay. So let me, before we stop, there's another way, because some of you may go, hey, Mrs. Shearer, guess what? I don't have to break it down by 10 minutes and 2 minutes. I know I could do 12 minutes. Well, that's great. Let's start with this. 1:30 plus 30 minutes. So 1:30, 30 minutes later would be 2 o'clock. So you just jumped 30 minutes. And this is where I'm saying, Miss Shearer, I know what 12 minutes later, that's pretty easy. Could be 2:12. Sure thing. 12 minutes later gives you 42 minutes. 42 minutes match up here with 42 minutes. Perfect. So what was our end time? Our end time is 2:12. So we know now that the end time was 2:12. So that, look at that. Ta-da! That is our answer right there of 2:12.